Today I will be showing you how to use a film camera. And today I am using the Fujica STX1. Let's go check it out. First things first, we're gonna open the camera. Oh snap. I didn't mean to do that. Let's take this old film out. It pulls out the whole entire roll. You want to do this when it's closed, but we're doing this with it open. Oh shoot. Alright, there we go. Then you open this, take it out with the new roll. This is the Cinestill film 400 dynamic. These go for like 20 bucks. So it's really expensive. Let's see, you grab a new roll, stick it upside down, or wherever like these two bars meet. There's two bars inside the camera, and it goes in the bottom of the roll. Slip it in, make sure you click this, boom. What you want to do, make sure you slip it through these little notches so that you can twist it back. Nice, sweet, now that we got that in there. Boom, rolled. Now you close it, do that, and now you're all ready to go.